Hi, and welcome to Learn with Emnet. Struggling to clean up your voiceovers or improve your audio quality? In this video, I'll show you a free AI tool that removes background noise and enhances your voice automatically. And if you stay till the end, I'll also show you how to do it manually using a professional editing app. Let's dive in.
Let's start by going to podcast.adobe.com on your browser. So here we are. No sign up needed. It's totally free, with just a few limitations. As you can see here, enhance speech, remove background noise and echo. So click on start enhancing. You can upload audio files here, up to 30 minutes long and 500 MB in size. Now I will click choose file and upload an audio file. Once it uploads, the AI will start enhancing the speech. Let's wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Let's listen to the before and after.
Based on his position, we need more of him inside the team right now. And it's a good target, even the deal is confirmed. Though, based on his position, we need
Hear
more
that
of him
difference?
inside the team right now.
The background
And it's
noise
a
is
good
gone.
target, even the
The
deal
audio
is
sounds
confirmed.
clean and clear.
Though,
Definitely worth trying for your next voiceover projects. As promised, let me show you how to do this manually using Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your desktop. Okay, here we are. Now go to Window, you go to your workspace, then Audio to switch to a audio editing layout. Under the Essential Sound panel, click Dialog. Then go to Repair. You will see options like Reduce Noise, Reduce Rumble, Deum. I recommend checking Reduce Noise and Reduce Rumble. Please take note, try to record in a quiet environment. If you boost noise reduction too much, it can distort your voice. Yeah. If your audio sounds too low after applying effects, don't increase the clip volume directly. Instead, right-click the audio on the timeline and select audio gain to boost it safely. Yeah. Let's listen to the before and after.
based on his position, we need more of him inside the team. And it's a good target, even the deal is confirmed. Though,
Wow, big improvement. Give it a try in your next video. If you'd like to learn how to use the software from scratch or how I create AI visuals for my videos, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.
If you found this video helpful, interesting, or even just a little bit cool, please like, comment, and share so it reaches others who need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.